I'm Desiree with Herbalwise, here today to talk with you about a dried herb aromatherapy recipe. Dried herbs can include things such as flowers, leaves, barks, and peels. And many of these items are found around the house and they're easily utilized in aromatherapy. When you're dealing with a peel, you can simply just peel like a citrus. Citrus is found to be very uplifting and it's a great choice for aromatherapy. So whether you've got oranges or tangerines or grapefruits, you can peel the fruit and set the peel out in a cool, dry place for a couple of days until it easily snaps when you bend it. And then you have your dried peel. You can also use something such as cinnamon bark is a good, very fragrant, aromatic choice. And what you do is you boil some water, and as it's simmering, you can add your dried peel or your cinnamon bark or any of your flowers or leaves of your choosing to the water and turn it down to a simmer and just let the scent fill the air. I'm Desiree, and this is Aromatherapy Dried Herb Recipe.